Quick question, what's the open rate on your last company-wide email? Or better yet, did anyone actually read past the first paragraph? Here's the reality. Your employees are drowning in messages. Slack pings, email threads, docs they'll never open. The important stuff gets lost in the sauce. But video gets watched. At Videodeck, we help companies replace ignored memos with internal video content that employees actually engage with. CEO updates people look forward to. Onboarding videos that get new hires up to speed faster. Training content that sticks. And we make it easy. You don't need a production team. You don't need fancy equipment. You just tell us exactly what you need to communicate and we'll handle the rest. Scripting, production, graphics, everything. Whether it's a quarterly business update, a policy change, or a company-wide announcement, we'll make it clear, engaging, and on brand. Delivered in days, not weeks. So stop sending emails that get skimmed and start creating videos that get watched. Let's build internal content that actually lands. Schedule a call and we'll show you how it works.